Did you know most adaptive clothing brands were designed without a single black child in mind? There is a father out there solving a problem every single month. His son wears bilateral AFO braces on both legs. He has a G-tube that needs quick access throughout the day. He processes the world through a sensory system that treats a stiff tag like a fire alarm. And he is a black child who deserves to walk into any room looking like he belongs there. Adaptive brands give you functional. They give you Velcro and elastic and easy open. What they do not give you is fresh. What they do not give you is culture. This father figured out that style is not vanity for his son. It is protection. It is the difference between his son moving through the world as a medical case or moving through it as a person. He found the workarounds, the brands, the cuts that work over braces without looking like they work over braces. Because dignity is not optional, and it was never just about the clothes.